we now must be the exit. Oh dear! The door is going to be modernized. They removed the old grotty door. That's really bad. In the rest of Grotty City. And this must be the 45 floors buildings. Only the buildings that have listed the 9 and 7. The left 9 is a really modern and inter. And they live in the building 7. Is a really nice old Marriott Court. But at least you need a key. Why would you stop at this freaking place on the freaking side? I had beans all the freaking times forever. You always like to stop here. This must be the probability. Hey, you little kid, get over here right now. But building 11 doesn't have a lift. This is the air conditioner. And this bakery is being abandoned. This flight agency has been abandoned. This has been abandoned. Well, I don't know whether this is being abandoned. Well, this is really grotty. So they are the most grotty buildings ever in the animated city. This must be the best buildings in the animated city. Okay. Another. Well, this is the really grotty buildings ever. They must think. This building becomes one of the best buildings in the Burning Passion. Tunnel. Now into the building 16 and into the next lifts. Well, they're really bad lifts in Go Animate City. But they officially made it by this and crap. Look at this thing.
Ah, que tiene rótulo.
Venga, 9. ¿Pero vais al 9 o al 10?
Vamos al 10.
Okay.
Claro, ¿qué hace, por favor?
Hace calor. Ahora me das este porque yo no tengo ninguno de estos. ¿Me lo quieres dar?
No.
¿Por qué no?
This don't belongs to you.
Se habla en castellano.
No, que hable lo que quiere que habla. ¿En qué lengua?
Inglés.
Ah, inglés. Hombre, el inglés es el idioma internacional. Eso está
Pero
más
es
claro.
que él va al colegio valenciano, él va a Sara.
Valenciano.
O sea, que tiene el inglés, el valenciano y el español,
Y el
porque yo
tres.
no entiendo ni
Y
español
cuando
ni
tengan 12 años o por ahí no saben los 3 idiomas muy bien.
Hasta luego.
This is being smelly like soap. The window has been still open. But I think it smells like fish soup. I see the lift.
checar este de agua. No me acuerdo cuando me dio el estanco.
Oh
No
dear.
estamos en el cero, yo me creía que había llegado, digo, qué pronto ha llegado. Pero no hay nadie.
But they must be pranking us. Who can they?
Ahora sí. Digo, qué pronto ha llegado.
Could